Good morning, student. Welcome back in your online class. Hello, student. Good morning. Cool. Good morning. You are feeling hot or cold? Moinul, feeling hot or cold? Ma'am. Feeling cool. Yes, cold. We are feeling cold now because now is winter season. Am I right? This is winter season. So we wear caps, sweater, muffler. Okay. Yes. Now open your English worksheet. Part 2. English worksheet part 2. Yes, this page. Now, Moinul, you have done your project. Moinul, write in chat box, you done your project, beta. Oi to show me. Hold it in front of camera. Okay, wow, very nice, Moinul, very nice. So listen, and one thing, listen. Yes, very good. Listen one thing, Moinul. And I think Nisat also there. Follow the e-portal. Tell your mother whether she follow or not. E-portal ta. Good morning, Sharnendu Babu. Oh na, this is Nisat. Sorry, Nishat. Nishat, good morning. How are you? Now, I am asking guardians, if you not follow, please check our e-portal and also send the picture of Christmas tree in our e-portal. Take a snap and send it our e-portal. Do you understand, Nisad guardian and Moinul guardian? Do you understand? Take a snap. Take a snap of this Christmas tree. Please check, there is one notice. Please check in our e-portal, there is one chat box. E-portal chat box. Follow e-portal chat box. There is one notice. And Nisad guardian, I am telling, please make take one drawing page, drawing copies page, and please draw one Christmas tree. You help, your guardian will help you to make the Christmas tree more colorful and more gorgeous, and take snap and send it in our e-portal. Moinul and Nishat. Okay, বোঝা গেছে? Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Is there is any problem, please ask me. Now, winter season. This is winter. We enjoying the season. Cold weather, okay? So we wear different clothes. Now, in this page, in our worksheet, this page, this blank page, we will draw two things that we use in winter. Okay? That we use in winter season. What you use? You can draw, take help from your mother. You can draw socks, gloves, cap, muffler, sweater, two clothes that you use in winter season. Okay? In this page, draw. You can draw cap. You can draw socks. You can draw socks. You can draw cap, monkey cap specially. You know this is monkey cap, socks, gloves, sweater, muffler, any two things. Take. Sharnendu, good morning and welcome. Now open this page. In this blank page, you tell your mother, draw two clothes you use in winter season. Socks or cap or gloves or sweater, and you color it. Two winter clothes. Okay? Very good. Moinul got the notice. You see, if you want, then you can dress up as your own choice and send your picture in our e-portal. Nishat and Sharnendu's guardian, I am asking. Sharnendu, you have done your project work. Page number 27, blank page. Draw two winter clothes. Page number 27, worksheet, page number 27. Sharnendur guardian, I am asking you, follow our e-portal notice in our chat box. You follow the notice. Nisad guardian, part 2 will be part 2. English worksheet part 2 is going now. Part 1 is over. This page I am telling to draw. And Sharnendu guardian, please mention me. Follow the e-portal chat box notice. And also show me, Sharnendu, your Christmas tree. Where is your Christmas tree? I told you in this weekend, please draw কানেক্ট হবে। হ্যালো, am I audible to you? Swarnendu guardian, please write in chat box. Swarnendu. Swarnendu, where is your Christmas tree? ইপোট্রাল ওপেন হচ্ছে না, ওকে পরে দেখবে। আর ক্রিসমাস ট্রি কই? ওয়্যার ইজ ইয়োর ক্রিসমাস ট্রি স্বর্ণেন্দু? Wow, very nice. So take one snap of this Christmas tree and send me in Ipotral. Okay? Very good, Swarnendu. Nice Christmas tree. And Nishat, you also make one Christmas tree, okay? Nishat, Swarnendu, send it in our Ipotral. And also please follow one notice is there. Nishat, where are you? Color it. Okay, color it, beta. Color it. And Nishat, you have to draw one Christmas tree. Okay? And make it colorful. Nishat guardian, I am telling you, please reply me. Number 1, please follow our Ipotral chat box. And number 2, draw one Christmas tree and decorate it. Okay, very good. Swarnendu, very good. Now, Moinul and Nishat. Swarnendu, wow, very good. Gloves, socks and cap, very good. The cap is just like Moinul's cap. Moinul? And Nishat, color it and show me. Write down the heading 2 winter clothes. Draw and color 2 winter clothes. Draw and color. Draw and color 2 winter clothes. Next page. K. K for king. K for kite. Next page, listen. Next page, page number 29. Write K. Write 4K in every line. Write 4K in every line. Swarnendu, Moinul, Nishat. Write 4K in every line. Write 4K in every line. Write 4K in every line. নিশাদ ক্রিসমাস ট্রিটা এরকম বলিনি বেটা, ক্রিসমাস ট্রিটা বলেছিলাম, দেখি ক্রিসমাস ট্রি আমি বলেছিলাম একটা ড্রয়িং সিট নেবে, ড্রয়িং কপি থেকে একটা পেজ নেবে বা ড্রয়িং কপিতেও একটা বড় ক্রিসমাস ট্রি তোমার মাকে এঁকে দিতে বলবে, মা বা বাবাকে এঁকে দিতে বলবে। তুমি তারপর সেটাকে যেমন খুশি কালার দিয়েও করতে পারো বা তাতে গ্লিটার দিতে পারো বা কটন পেস্ট করতে পারো, ওটাকে ডেকোরেট করে ওর ছবিটা আমাদের ই পোর্টালে পাঠাতে হবে। বোঝা গেল? একটু বড় করে সুন্দর করে করতে হবে, কেমন বেটা? Wow, Moinul, well done. Very good. and as you are too little, always take help from your parents. Swarnendu, K completed. Okay, student, listen. Complete your classwork. I will check it in math class, and we will meet in our math class. Till now, tata. Complete it, okay? Tata.